The harvest season is not only a time for producers to reap the benefits of the growing season, but it is also a time for researchers to collect harvest data. Market Senator Mark Oppold reports on one farmer who helps seed companies with that research every year.
Joel Armistead farms in southern Kentucky. For the past several years, he's worked with major seed and chemical companies in conducting field trials with various planting methods. And this week is starting to learn how those trials are turning out as he harvests his corn crop. He explains the process that he used this year.
They pick out the hybrids that they would like to test, and we plant them side by side, 8 rows at a time. With our precision equipment that we use on the farm, we're able to capture the information on the location and the population that we planted at. And whenever we come back during harvest season, we can capture the yield information on each hybrid in the same location that it was planted at. And of course, what they're looking at trying to figure out is as we plant across the field, we're crossing different soil types. Some of the fields have as many as 5 and 6 different soil characteristics, and we're trying to zero in on which hybrid performs the best in each soil type. So with our precision equipment, we can capture that information and they can look at it over the winter, and in turn they can turn around and tell farmers on the hybrids that we're planting that are in production currently. They can make better recommendations on where to plant those hybrids. And some of the newer hybrids that are not released yet that we plant for them, they can get an idea early on what their recommendations will be for that hybrid whenever it's released.
Armistead says he never gave much thought to various soil types within a field and their relationship to seed variety. He's also working on a similar trial for soybeans and learns something every year that he says hopefully will benefit producers across the country. Mark Oppold, RFD TV News.
And as Mark mentioned, in addition to the corn trials, he is also conducting soybean tests this season. And we will go back out to his farm to get an update on his progress when it comes time to harvest the soybeans.